Hey you guys, are you tired of dealing with hair that's dull, brittle, or just not growing as fast as you'd like? You're not alone. I've definitely been there, staring at my reflection, wondering why my hair seems eternally stuck on the same length. But what if I told you that the secret to luscious, healthy locks could be hiding right in your kitchen? Forget those expensive, chemical-laden hair products. We're going au naturel today, with some amazing DIY hair growth masks. Honestly, there's something so satisfying about whipping up your own concoctions with natural ingredients that you can actually pronounce. Plus, it's so much better for the environment and your wallet. Win-win, right? So get ready to unleash your inner hair goddess as we dive into 3 incredibly easy and effective DIY hair masks that will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and oh so healthy. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it. Let's get masking. Alright lovelies, let's dive straight into our first mask, which is an absolute classic. It's the avocado and egg mask, and it's basically like a superfood smoothie for your hair. I'm talking ultimate hydration, nourishment, and that gorgeous healthy shine we all crave. For this mask, you'll need just 3 simple ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 egg, we'll be using the whole thing, yolk and all, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which is optional but highly recommended, especially if you have dry hair like me. See, I told you it was easy. Now let's talk about why these ingredients are so amazing for your hair. Avocados are like Mother Nature's little moisturizing miracles. They're packed with vitamins, healthy fats, and antioxidants that help to nourish and moisturize your hair from root to tip, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and incredibly manageable. Eggs are like the protein powerhouses of the hair world. They're rich in protein and biotin, both of which are essential for healthy hair growth. Protein helps to strengthen the hair shaft, while biotin promotes hair growth and prevents breakage. And guess what? Using the whole egg means we're getting all the good stuff. The yolk is particularly rich in fats and vitamins that add shine and condition your hair. And last but not least, our optional ingredient olive oil. This liquid gold is a natural emollient, which means it helps to lock in moisture and prevent dryness, leaving your hair feeling soft, silky, and protected. It's also amazing for adding shine and taming frizz, which is always a bonus, right? Now let's mix this magical hair potion. Grab your blender. A fork and some muscle will work too, but a blender makes it super smooth. Scoop out the flesh of that ripe avocado and pop it in. Next, crack in your egg and give it a good whiz until you have a beautifully creamy, lump-free mixture. If you're using olive oil, add it in now and blend it again for a few seconds just to make sure everything is combined. Once you have your mask ready, it's time to apply. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this one can be a little bit messy because of the avocado and egg, but trust me, it's totally worth it. I like to apply this mask in the shower after I've shampooed my hair. Make sure your hair is damp, not soaking wet, and then slather that creamy goodness all over your hair, focusing on the lengths and ends. Once your hair is completely coated in the mask, pop on a shower cap, or cling film if you're feeling fancy, and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes to let all those nourishing ingredients work their magic. After the time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. You might need to rinse a little longer than usual to make sure you get all the mask out. Once your hair is completely rinsed, follow up with your usual conditioner if you like, and then style as usual. So there you have it, our first DIY hair growth mask, the avocado and egg mask. It's a simple, affordable, and effective way to give your hair the nourishment it needs to grow long, strong, and healthy. Ready for another amazing DIY hair growth mask? This time, we're diving into the sweet and spicy world of honey and cinnamon with our honey and cinnamon mask. This mask is all about stimulating your scalp and boosting circulation, which can help to promote hair growth and give you that gorgeous, voluminous hair you've always dreamed of. For this mask, we'll be using just 2 main ingredients: 2 tablespoons of raw, unprocessed honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Again, we've kept it super simple and easy to find in your pantry. You can also add a tablespoon of olive oil to this mask if you like, especially if you have a dry scalp, but it's totally optional. Now let's talk about why these ingredients are like a match made in hair heaven. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture, keeping your hair and scalp hydrated and healthy. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help to soothe an irritated scalp and prevent dandruff. Plus, it smells absolutely divine. Cinnamon is the spice of life, and it's also a fantastic ingredient for promoting hair growth. It has stimulating properties that increase blood flow to the scalp, which can help to nourish hair follicles and promote hair growth. Cinnamon is also a good source of antioxidants, which can help to protect your hair from damage. Now let's whip up this sweet and spicy hair treat. Grab a bowl and add your honey. Make sure it's raw and unprocessed for maximum benefits. Then, sprinkle in your cinnamon powder and give it a good stir until everything is well combined. If you're using olive oil, add it in now and stir it again. Once your mask is ready, it's time to apply. I like to apply this mask to dry hair before I wash it, as it can be a bit drippy. Section your hair and apply the mask to your scalp, massaging it in gently with your fingertips. This will help to stimulate blood flow and ensure the mask is evenly distributed. Now, a little word of caution. Cinnamon can be quite potent, and some people may experience a tingling or warming sensation when they apply it to their scalp. This is totally normal and should subside within a few minutes. However, if you have a sensitive scalp, I recommend doing a patch test first before applying the mask to your entire scalp. You can also reduce the amount of cinnamon you use or add a bit more honey to dilute it. Once you've applied the mask to your scalp, you can apply any remaining mixture to the lengths and ends of your hair. Then, pop on a shower cap or cling film and leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes to allow all those amazing ingredients to work their magic. So there you have it. Our second DIY hair growth mask, the Honey and Cinnamon Mask. It's a stimulating and invigorating treatment that can help to boost circulation, promote hair growth, and leave your scalp feeling refreshed and healthy. Chapter 3. Mask number 3, the Onion and Garlic Mask, the pungent powerhouse for hair growth. Okay guys, this next mask is not for the faint of heart. It's the Onion and Garlic Mask, and yes, it is as pungent as it sounds. But before you turn your nose up at the thought of putting onions and garlic in your hair, trust me on this one. This mask is a total powerhouse when it comes to hair growth, and the results can be seriously impressive. For this mask, you'll need 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now I know what you're thinking. Onions and garlic? Really? But hear me out. Onions and garlic are both rich in sulfur, a mineral that's essential for hair growth. Sulfur helps to produce keratin, a protein that strengthens hair and prevents breakage. Onions are also rich in antioxidants, which can help to protect your hair from damage. And garlic? Well, it has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help to keep your scalp healthy and free from infections that can hinder hair growth. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the smell. Yes, this mask does have a rather pungent aroma, but there are ways to tone it down. You can add a tablespoon of lemon juice to the mask, which helps to neutralize the odor. You can also try soaking the onion in water for a few minutes before juicing it, which can help to reduce the smell. To make the mask, start by juicing your onion. You can use a juicer or simply grate the onion and then strain the juice through a cheesecloth. Once you have your onion juice, mince your garlic cloves and add them to the juice along with the olive oil. Mix everything together until well combined. Now it's time to apply this potent potion. I recommend applying this mask to dry hair before washing it, as it can be a bit messy. Section your hair and apply the mask to your scalp, massaging it in gently with your fingertips. Then apply the remaining mixture to the lengths and ends of your hair. Once your hair is completely coated, pop on a shower cap or cling film and leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. If you experience any irritation or burning sensations, rinse the mask off immediately. So there you have it, our final DIY hair growth mask, the Onion and Garlic Mask. It's not the most glamorous mask, but it's definitely one of the most effective. If you can get past the smell, this mask is a game changer for hair growth. That's a wrap. Your journey to luscious locks starts now. And there you have it, my lovelies. 3 incredibly easy and effective DIY hair growth masks that you can whip up in your kitchen with ingredients you probably already have on hand. After using each of these masks for several weeks, here are my observations. The avocado and egg mask left my hair feeling incredibly soft, shiny, and manageable. The honey and cinnamon mask left my scalp feeling invigorated and refreshed, while the onion and garlic mask, though a bit smelly, definitely seemed to give my hair growth a boost. If you're looking for a mask that promotes hair growth while being mindful of potential drawbacks, the avocado and egg mask is a great choice for nourishment and strength, while the honey and cinnamon mask is perfect for a stimulating scalp treatment. And hey, if you're feeling brave and don't mind the scent, the onion and garlic mask might just be your secret weapon for supercharged hair growth. Remember, everyone's hair is different, so it's essential to do a patch test before trying any new hair mask, especially if you have sensitive skin. And don't forget to have fun with it. Experiment with different ingredients and find what works best for your hair type. We'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite DIY hair mask recipes in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more natural and homemade beauty tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of DIY hair growth masks. Remember, the path to healthier hair is a journey, not a destination.